Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. For my subscribers and for those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to follow us on our channel and see how our journey with poultry is moving. Today's video is showing you how we started our farming, and this was our brooder. We prepared for the brooder. Then I had to go and I had to pick my chicks. So once the chicks arrived, I had to count in so that I confirmed that there are 500 in total. So behind me there was my son. He was the one noting down each box. So after that, so while we are counting, we had to make sure that the number they gave us is the number we ordered for, and also to notice and also to make sure that they are okay, because sometimes they get injuries in the box. So if you just put down or you pour down the full box, you will not notice. When I finished, I had to watch, but that day, oh my goodness, we had no power. It went off, so I had to use solar lights so that my chicks could get light, and also I had to fix a door. My dears, that day was very busy. So you see, we had the pots, we had already fire. These chicks were really live. They were running up and down, eating their food, drinking water, though it was dark. But yeah, they were okay and healthy. So these are local chicks. So I'm a farmer of local chicks. Yes, so you see me as I was very busy, and they already happy, moving up and down. Yes, it's always good to use egg trays to feed them for the first 7 days, because since they are still babies, it will be hard for them to try the feeders. So it's always better to put and scatter around egg trays, at least to make sure that every chick has eaten food. But remember, when we just put them in from the box, we provide them water for 3 good hours. We make sure that they obutegeera nnyo naye ekintu ky'obuyigiza kyebukwata era ate wenyimiridde tebuliyo naye kambuyite olaba bujja 10 bwayize dda. Ozanyisa ebintu bannange, bukimanyi nti bwenkola bwe nti oba bulina okujja wenyimiridde. That's when I last gave them something to eat, and I had to go to sleep. But I made sure that the pots were providing enough heat, and also electricity was off. But I made sure I have all around lights. By that time electricity came back, but obutegeera nnyo naye ekintu ky'obuyigiza kyebukwata era ate wenyimiridde tebuliyo naye kambuyite. Olaba bujja 10 bwayize dda. Ozanyisa ebintu bannange, bukimanyi nti bwenkola bwe nti oba bulina okujja wenyimiridde. Everything was smooth, and we had to say bye bye.